Do you struggle with dry, flaky skin or irritation that just won't go away? Imagine a simple 2-ingredient mask that soothes, heals, and hydrates your skin naturally. In today's video, we're making an aloe vera and honey mask, a centuries-old beauty remedy that works wonders for calming irritation and bringing out a natural glow. Skin dryness and irritation are more common than you think. Whether it's caused by the weather, harsh soaps, or even over-exfoliation, many people suffer from itchy, tight, and uncomfortable skin. Commercial moisturizers often give temporary relief, but many of them contain alcohols and fragrances that can actually worsen sensitivity over time. This is why simple, natural remedies like the aloe and honey mask are so powerful. Instead of coating your skin with chemicals, you're giving it nutrients and compounds that directly repair and restore. Let's look at the science behind this duo. Aloe vera, known as the plant of immortality, aloe vera is rich in polysaccharides that help repair damaged skin cells, soothe burns, and lock in moisture. It also contains vitamins A, C, and E, all powerful antioxidants that fight free radical damage. Honey. Not just sweet for your tea, honey is one of nature's best natural humectants, meaning it draws moisture into the skin. Raw honey also has antibacterial properties, which makes it excellent for calming acne-prone skin. It helps reduce redness, irritation, and breakouts while giving your skin a soft, dewy glow. Together, aloe vera cools and repairs, while honey hydrates and protects. That's why this mask is a classic in natural skincare. Here's how to make your aloe vera and honey mask. Start with 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel. If you're using the leaf, slice it open and scoop out the clear gel inside. Add 1 tablespoon of raw honey, preferably organic for maximum benefits. Mix the two together in a clean bowl until smooth and well blended. Optional. Add a few drops of rose water for extra soothing effects. That's it, your mask is ready in under 2 minutes. Apply a generous layer of the mixture to clean, dry skin. Avoid the eye area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. You'll immediately notice softer, calmer, and more hydrated skin. For best results, use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. If you deal with redness or sunburn, this mask works like instant first aid. For oily or acne-prone skin, it helps calm inflammation without clogging pores. A few important notes. Make sure to use pure aloe vera gel. Many store-bought versions contain alcohol and additives. Always do a patch test with raw honey if you have sensitive skin or pollen allergies. And don't leave the mask on for more than 30 minutes, it may feel sticky and uncomfortable. To boost this mask, you can customize it. Add turmeric powder for brightening. Add yogurt for gentle exfoliation. Or add a few drops of tea tree oil if you're battling acne. Store any leftover mixture in the fridge for up to 3 days. It will also feel extra cooling when applied chilled. So, if you've been searching for a quick, affordable, and effective solution for dry, irritated, or acne-prone skin, this aloe vera and honey mask might be exactly what you need. Try it out this week and share your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, and make sure you subscribe to Skin and Health for more DIY natural beauty remedies every week.